This is a capture race challenge for white. It seems pretty challenging at first because white only has 3 liberties left, while black has 4 liberties left, and potentially black also has ice space here. But because the problem already tells you that white can't win this race to capture, then there's really not a whole lot of options for white. If white plays on the outside, then black will just play right here at b19, this bending move, and white will only have 2 liberties left, and white will lose very easily, like this. And if white doesn't play on the outside, then the only viable move is right here, b19. We've already done enough of these problems in this chapter to know that standing down here is a good thing to try, right? Because it extends your own liberties. Now white has 4 liberties instead of just 3. And in the end, if black just plays it from the outside like this, then this will be a situation where black cannot come in from either side. So that's what number 1 does. It sets up this very neat killing pattern. So what about black connecting at number 4? Does it help? Actually, no, right? Because white can still play on the outside, and after number 7, once again, black cannot come in from the right side. What about black making a potential eye here? And as we've seen in some of the previous problems in this chapter, all white needs to do actually is to play right here, is to kind of destroy this eye. Of course, black can swallow number 3, but the liberty situation is 3 versus 4. So white will be able to win this very easily. And white can even ignore number 8, right? Because now if you play away, black still cannot come in from either side. So after number 3, white already succeeds, which is a little counterintuitive because you might think number 2 builds a pretty good eye space. But that really shows us that number 3 right here, destroying this potential eye, is a really important move. So overall, seems a little intimidating, but actually pretty easy if we know what we're looking for, right? So the key move obviously is number 1, and if your opponent tries to build an eye with number 2 and 3, you have to occupy number 3 in order to destroy its eye space and shorten its liberties. So those are the key takeaways. Hope you find them useful. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.